First of all, the AICT sign-up page appears. The user has to register his or her required details as follows: first name, last name, email, phone number. Then the user has to create a new password, and after confirming that password, the user can sign up. Once registered, the user can now log into his or her account with the email and password he/she provided during the sign-up process. After logging, user will be directed to the AICT site. The user has to log in as an admin, which will log into the dashboard of the person. The dashboard contains various features which can be controlled and monitored single-handedly at a single platform. The first feature is server management. Here you can create a server by specifying the server name, OS type, number of interfaces, required RAM, processing power, and number of cores. After providing these specifications, click on Create. The server gets created successfully. Then to group them all, you got to do is specify a group name and then group all the IP addresses in that group like this. You can manage basic operations like updating server, installing packages for server group. For applying security patch, it can be just done by selecting the group you want to perform the operation on. Select the action and click execute, and all the server will be perform action to want them to perform. But if you want to do some advanced configuration, you can do them by writing an Ansible playbook of it and hit execute. The second feature is firewall and network device management. To address the challenges of firewall and network device management in our project, we implemented a solution created around a comprehensive management portal. In this portal, the user can configure and oversee firewall, switches, router, and other network device at a centralized interface. The third feature is load balancer. For load balancing all the server of specific group, first you will have to give a group name and select server you want to group for balancing the load. Then give it the protocol and port to run on the hit create. Now that the target group is created, it's time to create a load balancer, and it's really simple. All you got to do is give it name, how you want to manage the load balancing in the load balancing strategy drop down, then add required security and give it listener port, and you are done. Hit create and your brand new load balancer is created. After the balancer is created, it will be shown below in the status bar. The fourth feature is software license management. Our AICT CyberGuard portal offers a centralized repository within the solution to efficiently manage software licenses. This repository is dedicated to overseeing license for various applications and operating systems. It streamlines the tracking of license usage, ensure compliance with licensing agreements, keep tabs on renewal dates, and allow for precise license allocation to specific server or user. By centralizing the aspect, the portal simplifies the complexities of license management, mitigation, the risk of misuse, non-compliance, and excessive expenditure, while providing administrator with a comprehensive view of the organization's software license landscape. This enhances cost effectiveness and regulatory compliance across AICT's technical education institutions. The fifth feature is hardware inventory and asset tracking. To resolve the challenges of hardware inventory and asset tracking, our AICT CyberGuard portal maintains a comprehensive database of data center hardware components, including servers, switches, firewalls, and load balancer. This database tracks essential information such as hardware configuration, warranties, and maintenance schedules. By centralizing this information, it facilitates efficient resource planning, minimizes the risk of unexpected hardware failure, and optimizes hardware lifecycle management. This robust tracking system empowers administrators to make informed decisions regarding maintenance, upgrade, and resource allocation, enhancing the overall security and efficiency of AICT's data center operations.